Hello there. Today we're going to look at how to copy container contents to your host machine and from the host machine to inside your Docker container. So let's run a container. So we are going to use Docker run in interactive mode, and I'm going to use Ubuntu latest and run a bash. Alright, now I'm inside Ubuntu machine. Let's check cat etc and OS release. Okay, this is 20.04 Ubuntu. Also, I am going to go inside cd home and make a file. It's called inside docker.md. So this file is now inside the Docker container. So I want this copied outside to my host machine. So for that I am opening my Pinebook terminal, and let's go to my documents folder. Okay, so there is one folder here inside my Pinebook. So I want to run this docker copy command and move this inside docker.md inside the Docker machine to my host. So for that I'm going to use a command called docker cp. So let's see the help file for docker cp. Okay, so the way you use docker cp is you docker cp and options. There are two options. One is minus a, which is archive mode, and -l, which is follow link mode. So we type docker cp -l and the name of the container, the source path, and the destination path. Let's see how it is done. All right. So I need to know my path. Also, I need to know my container name, so which you can get it from running docker ps. Either you can use container ID or the name of the container, which is cleaner. Alright, so you can only run this on your host machine because you cannot run Docker inside your Docker image. So let's use docker cp. I'm going to now type greiter colon and the path of my inside docker md, so that you can get it from running pwd. So this is there at /home inside docker.md. So I'm going to run /home inside docker.md, and my destination path would be this folder. So I'm going to type dot. If you want, you can give any of your other path, like for example /home/rock/desktop. So it will go to my /home/rock, that is my username. Instead of documents, it will go to desktop. So because I want it in this current folder, so just type dot and enter. So now this inside docker.md file should be inside my host computer. Let's see. Alright, Now I'm going to check with an ls, and inside docker.md is in my host machine. That's how you copy from inside Docker to outside onto your host. Now, how do you do the reverse? That is, how do you copy files or folders from your host machine to inside a Docker container? So, for that, we're going to use same command. So, instead of that, now we're going to use the path of this folder, which is slash home slash rock slash documents and slash folder, and the name of my container, which is silly grider, or I can use the container ID. So for this I'm going to use container ID. So I put a colon and path inside your container where you want this folder to go. So I want my path to be slash home, only slash home. Let's enter now. Alright, so now if I ls here, the folder and its content should be inside my Docker machine. Let's run ls. Okay, so the folder is here. Let's check the contents of the folder. Okay, so I got 4 files here. Let's check here as well. Let's go inside folder and check. Okay, there are 4 folder inside here and there are 4 folder here. So I can do ls minus la and see the user is here rock, and here the user are root and 1000. That's how you use Docker cp command. Docker cp command. So you type docker cp, name of the container, colon source path and the destination path, and the other option is docker cp and the source path and the container name and the destination inside your container. That's a short tutorial on Docker copy command. Have a nice day. Bye bye.